When it comes to maximizing engine performance and extending the life of your engine, oil changes are the perfect place to start. Oil changes are one of the most important parts of auto maintenance, as oil change services ensure that your car runs smoother, stays cooler, and minimizes wear between parts. The most important benefit is regular oil changes help with your car's fuel economy. Another benefit of oil change services is that by bringing your car in regularly for maintenance, you can have peace of mind knowing that we will be far more likely to discover and fix any minor issues before they become costly repairs in the future. In order to keep your engine in good repair and extend the life of your vehicle, it's vital you stay on top of regular oil changes. Keeping up with routine oil changes can offer your vehicle a multitude of benefits. Just a few of the benefits you'll receive with regular oil changes include improved gas mileage, better lubrication of engine parts, extended engine life, decreased emissions, enhanced engine performance. We also perform a free maintenance inspection for the following: fluid in automatic transmission, power steering fluid, brake fluid, tail lights and headlights, windshield wiper blades and washer fluid, battery, tire pressure, air filters, coolant and antifreeze, serpentine belt. Maintain your car's reliability the easy and cost-effective way by bringing it in for a full-service oil change near Columbia, Jefferson City, and St. Louis, Missouri. How often you should change your oil depends on your vehicle and the type of oil it uses. However, for most vehicles, the usual recommended interval between oil changes is 5,000 to 7,500 miles. The three types of oil are conventional, synthetic, and synthetic blend. While each type comes with its own set of benefits, it's typically best to check with your vehicle's manufacturer guidelines to determine the recommended oil type for your vehicle. Can I change my own oil? Certainly, with the right tools and knowledge, you can perform oil changes at home. However, an oil change can be a messy and even inconvenient task. At Custom Complete Automotive, we are proud to offer affordable oil change, lube, and filter services in order to keep your car in excellent condition for as long as possible. You'll be glad you came to us. To learn more about our oil change services, receive a free oil change coupon, or schedule an appointment at one of our locations in Missouri, don't hesitate to contact us today. We look forward to putting our over 40 years of industry experience to work for you. Visit our site at customcompleteautomotive.com/contact us to call and schedule an appointment.